The top 5 hacking books. The first book is going to be The Pentester Blueprint. In this book, you will learn about the role of penetration testers, what a pen test involves, and the prerequisite knowledge you will need to start the educational journey of becoming a pen tester or ethical hacker. Second book is going to be Social Engineering by Christopher Adnagi. In this book, all aspects of social engineering are discussed and explained by using real-world examples, personal experience, and the science and technology behind them to reveal the mastery in social engineering. The third book is Basic Security Testing with Kali Linux. Kali Linux is an ethical hacking platform that allows security professionals to use the same tools and technique that a hacker would use, so they can find security issue before the attacker do. So the previous version of this book have been used worldwide as a basic primer for using Kali Linux in the security field. The fourth book is Metasploit Penetration Testing Cookbook. Metasploit is a software helps security and IT professional identify security issue, verify vulnerability mitigation, and manage expert-driven security assessment. So the capability includes smart exploitation, password auditing, web application scanning, and social engineering. The last book is going to be the Hacker Playbook. In this book, you will take your offensive hacking skills, solve the process, and attack path to the next level. This book focuses more on real-world campaign and attacks, exposing you to different initial entry point, exploitation, customs, malware, and persistence without getting caught. Lastly, thank you guys for listening and watching. If you guys are interested in more information on cybersecurity and ethical hacking, don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss the next video.